بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. Good evening everyone, welcome to this video. Today we have article to discuss together, but before that I would introduce myself. My name is Ahmed Qais Qasim from College of Pharmacy and University of Mosul, second stage. So before beginning, I would mention a key point of my article from which we could begin to discuss this. So my article talked about a planet, and it's really not considered as any planet you have seen or heard about. So we talked about the description this planet from scientific name and what is it, what contain, and also cultivation and the chemical compound that are contained in it, and for addition to that pharmacologic effect and uses of these chemical compound. So in addition to that, we also mentioned the method of extraction these chemical compound. So but before beginning, I would give you overview about this planet. This planet is really considered as a dangerous planet because their chemical compounds causes addiction to the human and other organism. So it's restricted to use and also uses for as analgesic, strong analgesic, and also used for post-operative surgery and pre-operative surgery. So let's begin our presentation with this article. So the name of this planet is called Opium Poppy. Opium Poppy, as shown in the presentation, especially in the picture that shown the parts of this planet from the leaf, trunk, and flower, and the important part of this planet, it's lie in the lower corner in the left. From this part as a petal or ball contain a seed, or we could extract a chemical compound from this part. So let's talk about and give a description of this planet. Opium poppy, the scientific name is Papaver somnifera. Flowering plant of the family is Papaver. This planet is an animal planet and can reach about 1 to 5 meters in tall. It has lobed or toothed silver green foliage and bears blue, purple, or white flower, some 13 centimeters. Red flowered and double and semi-double strains have been developed as a garden ornamentals. The seeds are brown in spherical capsule topped by disc formed by stigmas of the flower. The seed escape from pores beneath the disc when the capsule is shaken by the wind. So let's talk about cultivation. Cultivation of Papaver somniferum is animal crops cultivated worldwide but legitimately grown by pharmaceutical and food industries in Australia, Canada, Central, and also in India, Iran, and Poland, Romania, Spain, Turkey, and Yugoslavia. All these countries is cultivated this planet for good uses, such as this planet is from which we could extracted important chemical like morphine, codeine, that's represented on the pharmacy as a tablet and a strong analgesic also and other uses. It will be mentioned later. So, for addition to this country, and the south state of Iraq is also cultivated and also used for bad thing. So let's take more information. Papaver somniferums is a herbaceous plant which is harvested for its latex 5 to 10 days after flowering petals fall from the plant. But right latex product is called opium. It's the important product that obtained from the ball that is mentioned and shown on the picture, from which morphine and other alkaloids compound can be extracted. However, if left to fully mature, the plant will form poppy seeds within capsule, which can be mechanically harvested and collected by sieving process. The important alkaloid that present in this planet, we could say active constituent, are morphine, which is a strong analgesic and could be used as a base from which we could prepare another compound such as heroin and codeine, which is an important chemical compound that causes addictive effect on human health. So it's restricted to use exclusively in the hospital, especially morphine and pethidine. So let's get another compound, codeine and theopaine, another name, phenanethrines, papaverine, nosicapine, isoquinolone compound. All these compounds present the planet in a certain percentage. So let's talk about after this slide uses and pharmacology. The pharmacologic effect of morphine alkaloid differ widely. Codeine and morphine are sedative analgesic and can relax smooth muscle tone, making them useful in treatment of diarrhea and abdominal cramps. It also causes constipation for the patient. Codeine and its derivative are used as antitussive. Papaverine relaxes involuntary smooth muscle and increases cerebral blood flow. Chemical modification of alkaloid enable different receptor-dependent activities to be elected. The addictive characteristic of the opium alkaloid have been recognized for this organization. Method of extraction. Opium is obtained by slightly incising the seed capsule of poppy after the plant flower petals have fallen. The seed pods exude milky latex that coagulate and change color turning into gum like brown mass upon exposure to air. This raw opium may be ground into powder for easier method of extraction, sold as lumps, cake, or bricks, or treated further to obtain derivative such as morphine, codeine, and heroin. Opium and the drugs obtained from it is called opiate. To this, our article is done, and I hope you benefit from this article. Exactly, short, small article, and I would say I appreciate your listening and thank you for watching. Goodbye.